Imagine stepping into the great outdoors, where every tree, flower, and breeze becomes a classroom in disguise. Welcome to the world of STEAM adventures within the heart of our local parks and neighborhoods. Today, we explore how families can engage in activities that bring science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics to life, right in their own backyards. Picture this. A family strolls through a nearby park where autumn leaves crunch underfoot. But instead of simply admiring nature's seasonal artwork, they're on a mission to explore the science behind those color-changing leaves. As they collect specimens, they discuss photosynthesis and the various pigments that result in the fiery reds and golden yellows of fall. This simple walk sparks questions and curiosity, transforming a leisurely afternoon into an engaging scientific exploration. Next, let's consider the mighty realm of technology. Many might overlook the tech opportunities hidden in local parks, but they are indeed there. Equip your smartphones or tablets with nature identification apps. These digital tools can turn a simple hike into an interactive treasure hunt, where identifying plants and insects becomes an exciting quest. Capture images, log findings, and even share them with online communities. Through this digital lens, the family not only uses technology, but also learns to appreciate its role in understanding and preserving the environment. Now, let us delve into the principles of engineering. Parks often host an array of playground structures, and viewing them through an engineering lens can be fascinating. Challenge your family to consider how these structures are built. Why do certain swings have that shape? How do seesaws balance? This inquiry can be enhanced by creating simple models at home with everyday materials, fostering problem-solving skills and creative thinking. Artistry and nature have always walked hand in hand. Encourage your family to capture the essence of the neighborhood through leaf rubbings, photography, or sketching sessions. Observing the intricate patterns in nature fosters a deeper appreciation and connection. Discuss concepts like symmetry or contrast, blending art seamlessly into the environment. Finally, let us not forget mathematics, the underlying thread that connects all elements of STEAM. Count petals, measure tree heights using shadow ratios, or calculate the perimeter of a local pond. Such activities highlight mathematics as a tool for understanding the world. As we conclude this exploration into family STEAM adventures, remember that each step outside opens a world of learning and discovery. Embrace these opportunities to transform community spaces into dynamic classrooms where curiosity leads the way and learning happens naturally. Through these experiences, families create memories and foster a lifelong love for exploration and learning.